Did Barış Aktaş and Yağmur Yüksel's relationship affect the finale of Bloodflowers? Hello friends, welcome to my channel. We are here with a brand new video. We are here with new news from Barış Aktaş and Yağmur Yüksel. Shocking facts are revealed and fans are excited. Let's uncover the behind-the-scenes drama that could change everything. The ambitious series Bloodflowers conquered the hearts of millions, but what fans do not know is Barış Aktaş and Yağmur Yüksel's off-screen drama influenced the shocking ending of the show. According to insider information, the tension between the two stars reached its peak during the filming, and this caused the change of direction of the final moments of the series. The difficulties that Peace and Rain experienced in their relationship made it impossible for them to remain fully professional, and some believe that the duo's personal problems were reflected in their performances. Thank you all for watching our video. We will give you detailed information about the subject. Goodbye.